So we have some serious stuff to talk about today, really all the way through the week that this is going to last.
Yes, and even through part of our weekend, it looks like. So it's not going to be the best weekend, but there is better weather eventually to talk about. But for now, we still have the WFA weather alert days that are going to be in effect. The first one's going to be tomorrow morning, starting at 3 o'clock in the morning, going until 9 a.m. The second one is going to be Friday, so 6 a.m. to noon. And then the third one down the line is going to be Saturday morning, also starting at 3 a.m. and going until 9 a.m. We will see rain and storms outside of these times, but this is when we think we have the highest potential of seeing strong to severe weather. The biggest impact with these storms will be up to golf ball size hail. Certainly not everyone's going to see golf ball size hail. We would see more quarters or something smaller, but we could see up to golf balls. We're also talking 60-mile-per-hour winds. The tornado threat, it's not zero, but it's also going to be very low with these storms. We're also expecting very heavy rain. With any thunderstorm that you're going to get, you could see heavy rain, but we're really looking at Friday night into Saturday morning where we could see some flooding potential. So a lot of rain in a short period of time. So what you need to do is stay updated with the latest forecast, have a way to receive the warnings. Satellite and radar showing that we're not done with the rain even for this evening. Now, Dallas, we're pretty much out of it for this evening. Everything is just to our north and east, but nothing severe. We do have a strong storm that's going to be just north and west of Clarksville, but zooming in a little bit closer, we got some showers in between Terrell and Edgewood. Everything is streaming off to the north and east. No lightning there. We also have some showers just west of Commerce and also just north of Tierra. That's moving off to the north and east. You can see this strong storm that's going to be in between Powderly and Clarksville. This is also moving into Oklahoma, but still impacting Red River County. It's a strong storm. We're talking about a flash flood warning because it's been very heavy rain training over some of the same areas that have already had some very heavy rain today. So what we're looking at now is all of North Texas. Early tomorrow morning from 3 a.m. to 9 a.m. we're going to be an enhanced risk to see up to golf ball size hail, wind gusts of 60, and again a low tornado threat. By the time we get to Friday morning, now we're in a slight risk. So on a scale of 1 to 5, we're going to be on a 2 on Friday morning to see up to golf ball size hail, wind gusts of 60, very low tornado threat during that time. By the time we get to Saturday morning, still in a slight risk across much of North Texas for up to golf ball size hail, wind gusts of 60, very low tornado threat, but this is also when we can potentially see maybe a little bit of flooding as well. We're going to see a lot of rain by the time it's all said and done. All across the metro, we could see anywhere from 2 to 3 inches of rain. The farther north and east you go, we're going to see isolated totals maybe upwards of around 5 inches of rain. Tonight, though, eventually rain and storms will redevelop. It's going to be significantly cooler in the north and west, temperatures in the low 50s. I think we hang out at about 60 degrees tomorrow morning in Dallas, and then areas to the south and east, the low 70s. Tomorrow afternoon with the front around, I think it's going to be cooler to the north again, highs in the upper 50s, mid 70s across Dallas and Fort Worth, and potentially near 80 degrees around Waco and Mejia. So for tonight, we're dropping to 60 degrees. We're going to have a 60% coverage of rain and storms overnight and into tomorrow morning. During the day tomorrow, a 40% chance of showers and thunderstorms, so the coverage is going to go lower. Temperatures make it into the middle 70s. It's not going to be an all-day rain by any means. On Friday, though, temperatures in the low 70s and 80% coverage of rain and storms, and I think it will be on and off all day. By the time we get into Saturday morning, still an 80% coverage. I think later in the afternoon, that chance will start to wind down. I think after about 1 o'clock or so, most of Dallas-Fort Worth is looking dry. Sunday looks dry, but it looks cool. A north wind, breezy, temperatures in the upper 50s. We don't stay there forever. By Monday, we make it back into the mid 60s. And then next week, it's looking very nice, mostly sunny. Hard to find any clouds during this week. Temperatures in the 70s and not a lot of wind to go along with it. Jason, back to you.
All right, Cassie, thank you for that. If storms wake you up in the middle of the night, by the way, you can check out live weather coverage on WFAA Plus on your TV. We will be streaming weather updates all night and through our Daybreak show tomorrow. If you haven't already gotten it, you can download WFAA Plus to your smart TV. It is free to download and stream right now.